through his left earlobe.
The earlobe? That's not too bad. I have holes in my earlobes. It doesn't hurt.
I was going to try to shoot, Ken. Did she do it?
Who?
Myra, for Christ's sake. Who else would be?
Why would Myra shoot Charlie?
You don't know what's going on?
I never thought it'd be possible to do this. I never thought it'd be possible to do this, so fantastic. You decided to have no food, no guests, no hosts, no hostess. And you and Chris only appear one at a time and never together. Yes, I see something was wrong.
It's interesting. It's almost. This wish is almost helping him to regain some of his younger years.
Right.
I mean, by saying this, to relive his youth. It's really.
That is.
I never thought of it in those terms, Bill.
Graduate.
Bill wanted to do this today too because it's Parkinson's Awareness Month. Of
Right.
course, April the 11th is James Parkinson's birthday, and the Parkinson's Society of Eastern Ontario of Ottawa have been so helpful to Bill and to other people in the area with Parkinson's.
You haven't heard?
No, what's going on?
Charlie's been having a hot affair with someone.
Not hot, you don't know. You never always said it was hot. It's fair. An affair.
Who told you this?
Nobody told me that. I heard it was from Myra.
A thing? With who?
A man, a guy, a fellow, a kid. Who else?